Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to dispute a transaction on Apple Pay. First, open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. You'll see a list of all your payment cards. Tap the card where the issue occurred. Next, go to the Transactions section and select the transaction causing the problem. Tap on it to see your options. The available options depend on your bank. For example, my bank only shows Report Incorrect Merchant Info, which reports incorrect merchant details. If this doesn't solve the problem, meaning the merchant info is correct, but another issue exists, you'll need to contact your bank directly rather than going through Apple Pay. Some banks provide a direct option in Apple Pay. For instance, with my Starlink Wi-Fi account, there's a button that says, "For help with a charge you don't recognize, or to dispute a charge, contact bank name." You can use this to dispute the transaction directly with your bank. In short, Apple Pay doesn't handle disputes directly, you resolve them through your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.